Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the types of Jenkins job. So there are mainly five types of Jenkins job. So let's get started guys. First type of Jenkins job we are going to discuss is freestyle project. So what is freestyle project? This is mainly the most widely used feature in Jenkins. It is an available Jenkins build job offering multiple operations. Using this option, you can build and run pipelines or scripts seamlessly. You can create multiple steps in the freestyle. You can add execution shells based on the steps in the freestyle projects and execute n number of steps, n number of scripts in freestyle project. Okay guys. So what is the second type of Jenkins job is Maven project. If your work involves managing building projects containing POM files, you prefer using Maven project to build jobs in Jenkins. Okay. On choosing this option, Jenkins by default will pick the POM files, making configuration and run builds. Okay, if you are using Maven, if you are using Maven projects, then Jenkins by default will pick your POM file. Okay, so what is Maven project? Basically, if you will see that if you are having a POM file, if you are building a software, okay, you are building, if you are pulling the code from the Git, okay, and you are running Maven clean compile installs for a particular POM file, then you prefer to use Maven projects in that use case. If your use case is of POM files, you're dealing with POM files, so you use Maven project Jenkins job. Okay. What is the next type of Jenkins job? It's pipeline. Freestyle project is often not a good option to create Jenkins jobs. Okay. And therefore, pipeline is the best option. Using the option pipeline for creating Jenkins job, especially when working on long running activities. Suppose you are doing a blue-green deployment. There is a stage-by-stage deployment. First, you will do on a 1% server. Then you will remove it from the traffic. First, you will remove that box from the traffic. Then you will do the deployment on that box. You will add or add traffic to that box. Then you will remove. Then you will take AMI. Then you will update a launch template. These are steps. It may vary from organization to organization. It may vary from person to person, thinking that how they develop their blue-green deployment or they are doing any other type of deployments. But if you are having a multiple step stages of activity, we prefer pipeline jobs, okay, in that use case. And the fourth Jenkins job type is multi-configuration project. What is multi-configuration project? If you are working on a project requiring multiple configuration, you prefer to use multi-configuration project. This option allows for making multiple configuration for testing in multiple environments. What is multi-configuration project? If you are working with a project which is requiring multiple configuration, you have multiple configuration files and you want to deploy that, you want to test that multiple configurations in multiple environments. Multiple configuration files. We have firstly multiple configuration files and then you want to test that multiple configuration files on multiple environments. In that case, we use multi-configuration project. Okay guys, what is the last type of Jenkins job? GitHub organization job. What you will do in this? If you click on this option, it scans the user's GitHub account for all repositories and then it matches markers as defined. Suppose I'm a user, okay, I create this job of GitHub organization. What it will do it is going to scan my GitHub account for all repositories, and then based on the markers, suppose I mark this location, this location's file, or this repos this file, it will pull the code from the GitHub repository of that particular marked repo. Okay guys, what all we did in this video, what all we learned in this video, the types of Jenkins job. First is freestyle, then it's Maven, then it's pipeline, then it's multi-completion project, then it's GitHub operation. And what is the best? What is the best Jenkins job? What is the best option? It is pipeline Jenkins job. So you should prefer to use pipeline Jenkins job whenever you are building a Jenkins job. Okay, because it is used for long running activities. Whenever you are building a job which will be used for long running purpose, it is going to be any deployment or any integration or any commit, you should use pipelines. Okay guys, I hope you understood the concept of Jenkins jobs. What all are the types of Jenkins jobs? So do hit the like button, do hit the subscribe button guys. Let's meet up in the next one.